Well, been out the hospital for 2 days. Feels nice. Went across the street to the event that they had. Feels good and nice. I have been relaxed and feeling free. Um, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna say. No. I'm starting to think, oh, it's time to get everything together as soon as I get my health together. But I don't know. I don't know. You know how it is. Create a new hairstyle, tuck some hair and everything else. Not having too much fun, just watching TV. Spending time at home. No more creations with food. No more cleaning up the house. No more much of anything. Hmm. I don't know what to do. Then they say, oh, I look like a boy. So I tell you what, it's time to get this hair done after I get out the hospital. I mean, not the hospital, after I get myself together from being out the hospital. So I'm going to do my hair, do this little part of my hair, and I guess I will throw on a dress, put on some makeup, and go out. I'm getting older now. I'm not that young. And I don't know. It seems like I have a lot of birthmarks. Not birthmarks, but tattoos on my forehead. But I don't. Those are incidents where I had a, a, a pin stuck in my head. The doctor put a pin in my head. And he rotated it and he let it sit. And it was supposed to free me from all types of thoughts that I have that aren't supposed to be there. What do I think that for? I don't want that. My hair end up looking like this. And not only that, I'm like, I get all these bad thoughts and all these things that come through me that I do not want. So I'm like, why? I don't want to deal with it. I don't want to deal with those kind of thoughts. So I know better next time. I don't know how those people do it with all those pins in their back. And they lay there for like hours. And then they take them out. I know they run back and say, I need another one, I need another one, I need another one. Because I feel like sometimes I need another pin stuck in my head. After having it done so many times, it's like, But, oh well. So, I accomplished a lot. I accomplished growing my hair out. And I accomplished, look how long it is. All of this was no hair. I accomplished growing it back myself. And this is how long it is. It's in the fourth bead right now, actually. And it's no lie. My hair, when I twisted it up there, it can only twist up to this bead. It can't twist up to the second bead. Usually you can see it. You can see the hair clear as day if it was supposed up to the second braid. Because usually I lay it all the way up to the second braid. And it's grown some, about an inch. So I've been doing good. And this is new growth right here. Because all of this right here was bald. And I had just this hair. And you couldn't tell that it was bald. And that's why I put this in there and then took all the rest of them and braided it up. Now these right here, like I said, you can't tell where it's bald at, had grew in. And this grew in overnight. So my hair is really growing, which is good. Now I don't know why they say short hair make you look beautiful. And long hair doesn't make you look so nice. They did not lie, because look at me. I look like a boy with a shirt with tits. I was like, what the heck is this? I was like, my hairline looked like it's all the way back here, which it is, because it's back there. That's where my finger is. And then I got a big forehead. I tell you, when you try to do more things for yourself, and you think, wow, this is going to turn out looking good, I'm going to turn out looking fine as heck. And then you look into the mirror and you be like, what happened? I'm looking like my daddy and not my mama. I'm looking like a boy and not a girl. I look ugly as heck. And with my daddy, he looked fine as heck. And it's a little bitty like the differences between me and him. But I'm like, not today. I'm like, one day I am gonna just go ahead and just start looking like a female again. Hopefully. Look at these dark cheeks coming in. And I had my cheeks were light as heck. And then people start wanting to kiss me on my face. Look at this. This is from, and I wash my face on a daily basis. Even if I had to put soap in my hands, rub it together, and then put it on my face, and then go ahead and rinse it off. I just don't understand. These dark cheeks. It's like, do I have a sore somewhere in there? Did somebody come up to me and just put dark makeup on me or something like that? I'm like, what the heck is going on? I'm like, why? Why is this so dark? This is crazy. But one day, out of having dark cheeks, I'll find out what it's about. You know what I hate also? Is when you have hair on your face. It just grows out. As a girl, as a woman, right? And the guy is like, I know you a guy. And you like, I'm all woman. And then you be like, dang. It makes you so frustrated to have a full face of hair. Looking at another man that's hair is better than yours. You knowing you gotta shave because you know you're a female. And you like trying to say, don't I look better than you as a girl? But it's not like that. Because it's kind of embarrassing too. Because I got the little mustache too. Then not only do I got the mustache, but I got the little light gold tee. And my son, he say, like two of my sons are telling me, when I say, yeah, I know you a man. And my baby boy, he only 15, he say, yeah, my daddy the woman and you man. And when he was little, he said, I want to go stay with my mama. And they used to thought that he meant me. And I said, if they don't send that boy to his father, and they said, but that's his daddy, and he want to go live with you. I said, no. He think his daddy is his mama, and his mama is his daddy. And we did not train him like that. He just naturally felt that way, just like I did. When I was younger, I felt my mama was my daddy, and my daddy was my mama. And when you go to school, they teach you the one with the dress is the mama, and the one with the pants is the daddy. Well, you know, back then in the day, how the men they look like men, right? They had the little beards, and they put on the dresses, and they walk around in the house. And the women would go ahead and they would just put on the pants because they wanted to go work because women live. So back then, I was thinking, okay, with the ones with the dresses, even though they got beards, is men, and the ones that's doing women live with the pants going to work, those is the women, right? Because they was doing women live and men wanted to stay home with the kids. Well, a lot of them shaved and they said, no, baby, I'm a female. And I'm serious, I'm a female, and I'm not the man. And that was really the husband. And boy, they laid me out, boy, by saying that. I just fainted. Big time. And I was thinking, when I get older and I'm not going to have a beard and be cooking in the kitchen and stuff. And mine was opposite. Because my mother used to say, well, make sure, because you're a girl, you're a little girl. Make sure, you with the boys and leave them little girlies alone. So I used to be like, why? Can't I have female friends? Because I'm a little girl, right? And she looked at me and she said, you gotta hang with the girls, huh? And she didn't know. Because I had a brother, too, that looked just like me, right? And she would get confused. And so she would tell him to hang with the girls. So we switched. Because I used to wear pants, and he used to wear pants. So I told my mother, I said, buy me a dress. And she was like, why is this girl telling me to buy her a dress? So she would call me a girl just to be calling me a girl. Because she said I was more girlish. And the boy was more boily. But when she ended up taking me to the doctor, she found out I was a girl for real. It was so funny. He said, oh yeah, she a girl. She can't be nothing but with guys. And she can't be with the girls. If she do anything with the girls ever, or try to have babies with the girls, she'll catch AIDS. And she said, that's what I told her. It was so hilarious. But it's nice talking to you two about my little B life. And y'all take care. Bye-bye.